Hello, friends. I just wanted to take a quick minute to show you how your digital test prep notebook is going to work for Bend 1. So when you are working on your daily practice, you are going to come and open up your test prep notebook. For each day, you'll notice the day starts with a slide that is blue on the top, and it gives you some directions. These directions will already have been talked about in your mini lesson. Something that's very important to note is this presentation will not work if you are in present mode. So if I were to come over here and click present, I'm going to lose some of the information that I need. So here was day one. Day one, I'm just reading a story. Here it is on the slide. And the question I'm trying to answer is over here. Then I get to a stop. It says end of day one. Day two, it gives me my directions. And then on day two, it tells me I'm actually going to type my answer down here in the speaker notes. So that's where I will be typing all of my answers in speaker notes. So as I go through, this is why I don't want it in present mode, because I need to be able to see the questions over here on the left, and I need to be able to type down below in speaker notes. Another tool that's going to be important during this is the ability to zoom in or out, because it may be hard to read some of the text on the screen. So if I come over here and I click on zoom, I can click to bring it in, and I can come over here. I can take it back to fit. I could go to 100%. I can move between different views so that I can practice zooming in on the text that I need. If you have any questions on how to navigate this notebook, don't hesitate to ask your teacher. Good luck with your test prep, friends.